Hi everyone. I just put on my basic hack, my highlight, my contour, and I look at my face and it looks good, but now I have to work on my eyes. One of the main things I really like to pay attention to are my brows because it makes my face pop, makes my ears stand up. You like my headband? So I'm going to give you two options on brows today. So I'm going to use my little spoolie end of my brush. I'm going to brush my brows up. And you can use two different things for brows in my mascara palette. I have a eyeshadow that I like to use. This one is called Kohl, and I use that pretty quick every day. And I also have a contour color here that I can use on my brows. So you can use contour or you can use the powder. So it depends on what you like. I'm going in with the contour first. I just dip in with the other end of my brush here. I'm going to do a quick brow. When you use the contour, it kind of controls your brows a little bit more because it's, you know, has like a waxy type base to it, like a pomade would. So if you need control of your brows, that's a good way to do it. If you want to just do a quick brow and you don't really necessarily need your contour, you can just dip into your eyeshadow. Dip, dip, dip into your eyeshadow. And fill in. I like to put my, kind of start on the lower part of my lash line here. I mean my brow line. And then I'll just use my spoolie to help kind of spread the color around. But both of these are fine ways to fill in your brows. I do use both depending on what I have with me. And sometimes I'll even combine them. So say I have my contour on my eyes and I want to fill it in or make it a little darker. I can add a little powder to that, some little eyeshadow powder to that. Okay, so there's the difference with brows. Makes a big difference. So contour, powder, you decide. You can choose. That's the magic of having everything in your one palette, is you can multi-purpose. You can use these for different things.